बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। तुमने कुछ अस्सलाम वालेकुम friends, how have to be? Welcome back dear friends my YouTube channel. Hopefully you will be fine. Have you spending good and lavish life? So friend, most welcome my channel. I introduce beautiful and great ideas. Let's come friends, now I share with you beautiful ideas. In this video I introduce beautiful ideas that are completely different to each other. Upload this video your friends, your mutual friends, overall your social personality which you know have that, and you can create different type of thinking ability to watching that's beautiful and great ideas. Let's come friends, now I share with you beautiful and great humorous ideas. Uploading this video your friends, your mutual friends, overall your social personality. In this video friends, I shared with you beautiful and great ideas, and you can create different types of thinking knowledge to watching that's beautiful ideas. Subscribe my channel and like my ideas which I share with you in this video. You can create different type of thinking knowledge to watching that's beautiful and humorous ideas. And friends, you will enjoy my beautiful attractive designs. You can create different type of thinking knowledge to watching that's beautiful and great ideas. You will like my ideas. Let's come friends, now I share with you beautiful and great ideas which are related to the crochet pattern. In this video friends, I share with you beautiful and great ideas, and you can create different type of thinking knowledge to watching that's beautiful ideas which are most ambitious and are different to each other. I hope friends you will enjoy that's beautiful and great ideas. So friends, you can create different type of thinking knowledge to watching its beautiful design ideas which I shared with you, because that's are completely different to each other, and you can create different type of thinking knowledge. And friends, you will enjoy that's great ideas. So friend, you will like my ideas which I shared with you, and you can create different type of thinking knowledge. Thank you so much. Next time I will meet you.